Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you the new redesign of QuickBooks Online. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain every section in the simple way. Let's start. At present, this is the new look and redesigned interface of QuickBooks Online. In the past, QuickBooks Online had an older layout which looked different from what you see now. In the earlier version of QuickBooks Online, the left navigation banner used to be black. In the new redesign, it is now white, giving a cleaner and more modern look. Now let's take a full tour of the new QuickBooks Online redesign. I will explain each item one by one so that new users and beginners can understand every features clearly. The new QuickBooks Online interface is a visual redesign aimed at making the software cleaner, simple, and easy to use. Importantly, all your existing tools, accounting feature, data, and workflows stay the same. Only the look and navigation change. When you log in, you land on the home or dashboard. Here you can see the Intuit QuickBooks monogram. And just beside it you will see your company name showing which account you are currently using. This is your company name, Demotech Solution LC. This is the search option of QuickBooks Online. It helps you quickly find any transaction, customer, vendor, report, or page instead of clicking through menus. It is located at the top right. It is also like a magnifying glass icon. You can search for invoice, bills, expense, payments, journal entries, customers, vendor, accounts, report, any transaction by number, date, or amount. You can see here Contact Experts. Contact Expert is a help option inside QuickBooks where you can talk to a QuickBooks support specialist when you need help. This is made for users who need professional support. This is the task icon in QuickBooks Online. The task icon shows you a small bell or checklist symbol on the QuickBooks dashboard or sidebar. It works like a reminder tool inside QuickBooks Online. The task icon shows important things you need to do, such as invoice you need to send, bills you need to pay, bank transactions you must review, VAT tax reminders, payroll tasks, alert about overdue invoice, any important upcoming activity. This is the My Integrations icon in QuickBooks Online. The My Integrations icon shows the section where you can see all apps connected to your QuickBooks Online. It is usually shown with flag symbol or app connection symbol. When you click My Integrations, you can see which apps are already connected. These apps work together with QuickBooks to share data automatically. That is Shopify, PayPal, HubSpot, Amazon Seller, POS system, inventory apps, CRM tools, and time tracking apps. This is the notification icon in QuickBooks Online. The notification icon is the bell symbol at the top of QuickBooks Online. It shows you important alerts and updates about your QuickBooks account. When you click the notification bell, you will see alert likes, new product or feature updates, important Intuit message, security alert, subscription or billing reminders, system maintenance notice, connected app notifications, message from QuickBooks team. This is the setting icons. The setting icons usually looks like a gear. If click setting icons, we can see here your company settings, that is accounts and setting, message user, custom from styles, chart of accounts, payroll settings, and additional other information. This is the list. Here we can see all list, product and service, recurring transaction, attachments, custom fields, rules. Here we can see tools section. Here import data, import desktop data, export data, reconcile data, budgeting, audit log, share screen. This is the profile section of companies. In profile section, here showing subscription and billing, what's new, feedback, privacy, cookies, and switch company. If we want to switch back to the previous QuickBooks experience, now we click switch. Now we come back in previous QuickBooks Online old design. This is the black banner of QuickBooks old design. If we want to change to go new design Outlook, now settings, switch to new version of QuickBooks. Now we are in QuickBooks Online new redesign. This is the help icon of QuickBooks Online. The help icon usually looks like a question mark or circle with question inside. You can get from the help section, that is get support or contact support, browse help center, report a problem, learn about feature, safety and privacy information, submit feedback. This is my created email address password. In new redesign QuickBooks Online, when you created your company in QuickBooks Online, welcomed you. But in previous QuickBooks Online, no welcomed you. This is the different things. Now I am going to discuss the different options in the QuickBooks Online left navigation bar. At first, create option. The create button, also called the plus icon, is one of the most important feature in QuickBooks Online. This is where you add or create anything new in your business. Think of it like a shortcut menu for creating new transactions. When you click the Create Plus icon, QuickBooks shows you all the options to create something new. Here we can see 4 options: customers, suppliers, team, and others. Customer section is for creating sales related transactions for your customers. These are invoice, receipt payment, statement, estimate, sales order, credit note, sales receipt, refund receipt, delayed credit, delayed charge, and add customer. The supply section is for recording expense and purchase transaction with your suppliers or vendors. These are expense, check, bill, pay bills, purchase order, supplier credit, credit card credit, add supplier. Supplier section is where you record your bills, expense, and payments to vendor. Now, team section. These are employee, single time activity, weekly timesheet, review time. Team section helps you manage employees and payroll activities. Other section. These sections contain general and additional tools not related to sales or expense. These are tasks, bank deposit, transfer, journal entry, stock quantity adjustment, pay down credit card, and add product or service. Now we can see here bookmarks. The bookmarks icon is where you can save important things so you can quickly find them later. Now click the bookmarks icon. Since this is your first time, the list is empty. On the right side, you will see a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon. QuickBooks will show you at the page you can bookmark. Here we can see homes, feed, standard report, custom report, management report, chart of accounts, recurring transactions, CIS, my accountant, expense transactions, supplier bills, mileage, etc. From these items, which items I want to see in bookmarks? Now I select budget, bank reconciliation, chart of accounts, supplies, product and service. Now save. These are items that I selected in bookmarks list. I can also change these items. If I want to change, then click again edit option, that is pencil icon. I can rearrange these items, that is chart of accounts at first, product service second, bank reconciliation third, then save. This is chart of accounts at first. We can see next product service, bank transaction, budget, supplies. If I want to delete these three items from bookmark list, then click pencil icon, unmark supplies, unmark budget, unmark integration transaction, then save. Now we can see only these three items in bookmarks. So for beginners, bookmarks are very helpful because they allow you to quickly open your most used pages without navigating through the entire menu. Now let's talk about the home icon. When you click the home icon in QuickBooks Online, it takes you to the main dashboard of your account. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your business. like total income, expense, profit and loss, invoice, bill, bank accounts, account receivable, account payable, cash flow. This is the first page you see after logging in, and it helps you understand your financial situation at a glance. Now, this is feed icon. Feed shows all your latest business activities in one place, like new invoice, expense, bank transaction, reminders, and tasks that need your attention. It is your quick overview page to see what is happening in your business and what action you need to take. This is report section. The report section in QuickBooks Online is where you can see all the important financial information about your business in a clean, organized format. It helps you understand how your business is performing. In report section, we can see standard report, custom reports, management reports, financial planning. If we click standard report, here we can see balance sheet, profit and loss, business overview, all report, sales and customs report, expense and supplies report, employees report, payroll report. This is searching option. You can find out any report by searching this section. Now we can see here 9 dots, that means all Fs. If we select all Fs, we can see here accounting, expense and bills, sales and get paid, customer hub, payroll, team, project, stock, VAT. This option, we can also see the top side of dashboard. If we select accounting, we can see bank transaction, integration transaction, receipt, reconcile, rule, chart of accounts, recurring transaction, CIS, my account. Select expense and bills. Here you can see expense transaction, supplies, bill, mileage. In top of the dashboard, if we select accounting, we can see here bank transaction, integration, receipt, reconcile, rules, chart of accounts, recurring, sales, etc. Now, let's look at the pin icon. This section shows all the items you have pinned in QuickBooks Online, such as report, customer, invoice, or any page you use often. Pinning helps you save time because you don't need to search for that page every day. Anything you pin all appear under the pin icon, and you can open it with just one click. Now let's talk about the three-dot icon, that is more. You will see this icon in many places inside QuickBooks Online, such as expense, sales, customer, payroll. When you click the three dots, QuickBooks Online shows more action that don't appear on the main screen. So if you need extra options, always check the three-dot menu. Now let's talk about customize icon. By customize icon, we can change the display all apps of QuickBooks Online. Now click Customize. Then we can see the all apps. We can rearrange these apps. For example, change payroll option in first, accounting in fourth section, VAT option under payroll. We can see all apps. So click, then save. This is the serial of all apps. Here we can see the new arrangement of apps. At first payroll, second VAT, expense, sales, accounting, project, marketing, etc. Here we can also see the accounting apps that we rearrange. Now we can see here create option. Create action means which items we want to see in dashboard. Now we click show all. Here we selected favorites, create invoice, create sales receipt, record payment, create estimate, add customer. We can rearrange them. Create estimate first. Now save. This is create estimate first, create sales receipt second. Again, click show all. We want to see more option in display. Now click create recurring invoice, recurring sales receipt, create estimate, create sales order. Now save. Now we can see here create estimate, create sales receipt, create invoice, record payment, add customer, create recurring invoice, recurring receipts. Now we can change again. Click show all. Now we want only see create invoice and create estimate. So unmark these items. Now save. Here we can see only create invoice and create estimate. In dashboard, we can see profit and loss, income expense, bank account, account receivable, account payable, cash flow. If we don't want to see in dashboard, now hide the financial information on your dashboard. Here nothing we can see in financial report. If we want to see the financial report in dashboard at a glance, now click show the financial information on your dashboard icon. Here we can see financial report, all items in dashboard at a glance. So viewers, this was a complete overview of the new QuickBooks Online redesign. I hope this video helped you understand all the new icons, features, and navigation options in an easy and simple way. QuickBooks is updating its design to make everything faster, cleaner, and more beginner friendly. And I hope this walkthrough made it easier for you to get comfortable with the new layout. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also request you to share this video so that others can benefit as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. Inshallah, I will see you again in another video. I hope you will stay connected with my channel always. Thank you once again.